Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out the thermostat in a second gen Infiniti FX and QX series using this part that I purchased off of eBay. Okay, as I said, I purchased this part off eBay because I blew my radiator, blew my fan unit, so I figured I would change out the thermostat, the hoses, the whole chalada. But this video is just for the thermostat. So looking at the front of the radiator, I got to remove the top radiator hose on the left. After I removed the hose, I noticed there's a lot of gunk on it. I'm not used to doing this. Actually, I've never done it before, but I took some sandpaper to it. Apparently this is pretty normal, but it still freaked me out just a little bit. However, right in front of you is a thermostat. You're going to use a 12mm wrench. The screws are located in 4 locations. After taking the screws out, the thing pulls right off. You might have to give it a little bit of tug, and then you have the thermostat. This is one of the radiator hoses. It wouldn't come off, so I had to cut it off. As you can see here, it looks like it's been on there probably since this car was created in 2009. Here's the other main piece, and just like the other side of it, I had to sand it down. Probably not a big deal, but hit it with some 50 grit. As you see here, I have replaced one of the radiator hoses with the piece that goes to the thermostat. Got the thermostat back on. You notice there is a metal gasket. I chose not to replace the gasket, and the last thing I have to do is put this clip back on, and you're done with the thermostat. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and check out my podcast, Hard Parking with Jay Finning, the non-automotive podcast, and I will catch you guys later.